let's, in an effort to make this a standalone podcast, let's explain what we're talking about. Because what we're talking about is Terrence's Stoned Ape Theory. And his theory involved a lot of contributing factors, one of them being climate change. And the theory was that as the rainforests receded into grasslands, you get more ungulate animals, and they leave behind poop, and that these lower primates find these mushrooms that are growing on the poop, and they experiment with them. And that the ones that did increased visual acuity, they became more amorous, they were more likely to breed, more creative, the ability to form sentences, glossolalia, associate sounds with objects and concepts, and that this is probably how language formed among humans. And Terrence's connection to that, when you look at the timeline of when this was happening, when we know this was happening, which coincides with the growth of the human brain, which over a period of 2 million years doubled in size, which is pretty phenomenal.
200,000 years, it increased massively. So 2 million years on the outer limits, 200,000 in the inner limits. We know that psilocybin stimulates neuron proliferation. Terrence did not have and Dennis did not have the scientific evidence for that 30 years ago. We now have the evidence for it now. Terrence and Dennis McKenna should go down in evolutionary biology as the two individuals who could see in the far event horizon way before the scientific method. How did they come up with that? Because they were tripping on mushrooms.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why scientists using psychedelics is a quantum leap. Silicon Valley is fueled by psychedelic thinkers who are becoming more creative. And I think we have a crisis in creativity, and psilocybin is a way for us to become smarter, more congenial, more collaborative. We have an opportunity for a quantum leap in the evolution of the human species.